Yo, what's up? We are now at Ris Bilglass at Storo, and today I'm going to show you something here. And okay, there'll be a little bit of promotion, but I will tell you that I didn't get any money from this, just to clarify it. But so this is Markus Bil's car. It's a Model 3. This is the SR Plus, the 60 kilowatt hour SR Plus, and he just got some tint on it. I think this is 5%. He wants it nice and black. But okay, anyway, the video here is about washer fluid and actually safety and convenience. Because, okay, let me start by saying that normally you have to be a customer here and you will then get the washer fluid deal. This is fortunately only for Norwegians. So it's a Spillvæskeavtalen, the washer fluid deal. And the deal is that you have to download the app. It's iOS or Android, and then you enter this code, and then you can access any Ris Bilglass all over Norway. There was about 200. How many was it, Roger?
200.
200.
Yep.
Around 200 different locations in Norway. You can go to any of those, and you can then get free washer fluid, like we're going to get now. So Roger is going to fill up washer fluid. He actually mixes it himself. Concentrate, I asked him about this, so it's for minus 25 degrees Celsius. So that's good. And what's in it for Ris Bilglass? Well, Ris Bilglass, they want this, they want to attract customers here because, you know, I've seen this many times on Facebook. Norwegians, they say, oh, I preheated the car and then suddenly the windows cracked. Is this on warranty? No. Do you know why the Cybertruck cracked? It's because there is a damage. Normally, a normal healthy windscreen will not crack unless it has been weakened. So the problem is that if it's weakened and then you preheat, it can't crack. And Ris Bilglass, they are making money on repairs. So what they want to do is, once you get here to refuel, it's almost like the bee is coming here to get some juice. Is that right?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. And then you will inspect the front windscreen for any damage. And then you do the repair, and it's on insurance anyway.
Yeah.
Yes.
And if you got casco or del casco.
Yes.
The insurance, you get it. Yeah.
And then, of course, if it's needed, you guys can also replace the windscreen.
Yeah.
But most cases, you just find the small damage and you replace it. And you fix it. And that means that, let's say, you know, I hear this all the time when I'm driving. I hear a little bang.
Yeah.
But then I don't see any crack. But then the damage could be there.
Yeah.
But if you repair it and we preheat the car, will it then crack?
Most likely not. Yeah.
Okay. So that is the whole deal with it. So and also I have to tell you, it's not only for Tesla. So it's just you come to Ris Bilglass. You mentioned Teslabjorn, but I think you have to come here, right? Not to any other Ris Bilglass.
Yeah. Here first, get your card, and then you can go all over the place.
Okay, he wants the customers here. That's pretty smart. And again, I'm not making any of this, so I think that's going to be it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.